Manual text by Anna and Natha. How to use a washing machine. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Place the hose into the drain. 3. Open the washing machine drum. 4. Put the clothes in the washing machine. 5. Press the power button. 6. Choose the program. 7. Press the start and pause button. 8. Add detergent and perfuming clothes. Pour it in the place that was told before. 9. Closed. 10. The washing process begins. The process of milling clothes for washing. 11. Drying clothes. 12. All done. 13. Unplug the cable from the outlet. 14. Open the lid and take out clothes that have been washed and dried. 15. Finished! The clothes are ready to be dried in the sun.